Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's all in one. So today I'm going to explain you about coding and decoding, which is very helpful and very useful for your competitive examinations in case of any exam for that matter. So today I'm going to tell you all about how to do the problems or how to identify the letters symbols. So let's see first what is the use of learning which letter in the alphabetical order number corresponding number. Okay, so let's see what's the use of it. So for the first sum, if spark s, it's not just generally a bird, is nothing it doesn't contain any meaning. Okay, so spark is coded as TQBSL. What is the code for flame? So let's first, to find the code of the flame, let's see what's the relation between this spark and this code. Okay, so first, keeping on finding the relation between these two, the same relation on applying for the flame will also be get the code of what is it. Okay, so first let's see the relation between these two. So I wrote the spark SPARK and TQBSL. So in the alphabetical order, S is in the position in 19th position. So you can also write it A, B, C, D. That will be very tough job for you all to find out which number, which or else which this particular alphabet belongs to which position in the alphabetical order. So for that, today I am going to tell you the easy trick to remember the position of the alphabet. So first let me complete this sum. Then after I will tell you how to identify that particular number in the series. Okay, so S is 19th position and P is 16th position in the alphabetical order, and A is 1, R is 18, K is 11. In the same way, these all positions are also mentioned at below. So this is 19, this is 20. 19 plus 1 gives 20. 16 plus 1 gives 17. 1 plus 1 gives 2. The 18 plus 1 gives 19. And 11 plus 1 gives 12. So if you know that in which position the alphabetical is, you can simply write the alphabet as it is, right? So in 19th position S is there, in second position B is there, in 20th position T is there. You can easily find it out, right? So instead of by hearting the positions of the alphabets, I have a simple trick for you all. So let's see, I will tell you after the completion of this problem. So flame, FLAME, 6, 12, 1, 13, 15 are the alphabetical, positions of these particular alphabets in the alphabetical order. 6 plus 1, the same trick applies here also. Okay, most cases, plus 1 is 7 and plus 13, and plus 1 plus 1 is 2, and 13 plus 1 is 14, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So 7 is G, 13 is M, 2 is B, and 14 is November, 6 is 5. Sorry, this is the way I have remembered. So this can be easily identified when you just know the which alphabet belongs to which position. So let's see the trick for remembering the position of the alphabet. So let's see the simple trick for to identify the position. So now I have written the A to Z in alphabets. So now we can easily know which position is by counting it. If I said J, what is the position of J, you need to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So J is 10th position. So every time you can't count it, and every time you can't write down the A to Z numbers and counting, which is very hard for you all to do the sums to, because the time taking will be only for doing these only, right? So to consume the time, we have to by heart the positions of the alphabet. So in order to by hearting, but instead of by hearting, I have come up with a good trick for all of you to remember very easily. So let's see what the trick is. First four numbers you can know, that is 1 2 3 and 4. It is the first four numbers, and the last one is 26. Z is 26, and the last but one is 25. This is this is all right? So let's start with E. E for evening, right? 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock you get evening, right? So in that way you can remember. And fix, F is for fix, 6, right? And G, J, sorry G, this is like 7, right? So it is the seventh position. And H, you can see how the H has designed. H is like this, right? So after you keep like this, it will turn up as 8, right? So this position is 8. And I is for 9. You can remember, like, if you keep like this, it's 9, right? So J. Coming to J, a J is like this bent stick, right? And if you kept one ball over here, it is like what? Golf stick and the ball, right? So you can simply make this as 10. And K means, you can remember, like king. King has two children. See, 1, 1. So that comes 11. See, these are all the tricks for you to only remember the position of the alphabets, okay? So L is 12. You can remember by L is for love. Love is for 12. Okay, the rhyming, okay? And M is the middle alphabet of the A to Z series. So you can write it as 13, because 26, 13 plus 13 is 26. It is a middle alphabet, so it is 13. And November 14th is a children's day, which is a famous day, so you can easily remember November 14th, and nth position is 14. And October 15th is also a rememberable day, which is Abdul Kalam's birthday, I think, or the date, the day, I don't know. Please Google it. If I'm wrong, please sorry. P is prince and Q is queen. So 16-year prince is married to a 17th-year queen. So you can easily remember P and Q, 16 and 17, okay? R is, you can remember R by right to vote. Will get at 18 years, right? At 18 years you can vote. So right to vote is at 18 years. And S, coming to S, it's 19. I have not yet found any logic for this S, so you have to remember this S as 19. That's it. Okay, sorry guys. And T is T20. You can also remember like this. And for you also, I have not have any trick for you all to remember. So you can remember U as 21 and S as 19. That's all. You have to by heart it. And V is for victory. So 22, we can be shown it as like this. So 2 and 2, victory. So 22. And W, you can remember by saying W is for work. Work is nothing but 23. So how you can remember is, uh, day has a 24 hours clock. In a 24 hours clock, you have to work for 23 hours a day to get a success. So like that also you can remember. And X is 24. You can remember is 1, 2, 20, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 24, like that you can remember. And Y is last but one. You, so this is how you can remember the alphabets and the position of alphabets. Now it is easy for you all to identify the which number or in which position such a particular alphabet belongs to. It's easy, right? If I say Q, you can easily go with the queen. I'm 17 years old. I'm married to a prince of 16 one. And if I say N, N is for November 14th. If I say O, O is for 15th October. If I say X, X is for 24. If I say 9, 9 has eye of 9, eye shape is of 9. And if I say 8, 8 is of same shape of like 8. So you can easily identify which position the alphabet belongs to. So now you can solve the problems very easily. This is a time consuming process. So in order to by heart it all the positions of the alphabets, you can simply remember this trick. So if you liked this trick, please like my video and subscribe my channel for the more tricks like this, and I will keep on updating you all. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you for watching.